Using Capital One Cashback is a simple and rewarding process that can help you earn money back on your everyday purchases. To get started, you will need to have a Capital One credit card that offers cashback rewards. First, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your cashback program, including the percentage of cashback you can earn in any categories or purchase limits that may apply. For example, some cards may offer 1% cashback on all purchases, while others may offer 3% cashback on specific categories such as groceries or gas. Once you have a clear understanding of your cashback program, you can start earning cashback by making purchases with your credit card. You can use your card for everyday expenses such as groceries, dining, and entertainment, as well as for larger purchases like travel and electronics. As you make purchases, your cashback rewards will accrue in your account. You can track your rewards balance online or through the Capital One mobile app. This will give you a clear picture of how much cashback you have earned and when you can redeem it. To redeem your cashback rewards, simply log into your account and select the redemption option. You can choose to receive your cashback as a statement credit, which will be applied directly to your credit card balance, or you can have it deposited into your bank account. Some cards may also offer other redemption options, such as gift cards or travel bookings. To get the most out of your Capital One cashback, make sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. You should also try to use your card for all of your everyday purchases, as this will help you earn the most cashback rewards. Additionally, consider using your card for categories that offer higher cashback percentages, such as groceries or gas. By following these steps and using your Capital One cashback card responsibly, you can earn significant rewards on your everyday purchases and make the most of your credit card benefits. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your cashback program and to track your rewards balance regularly to ensure you are getting the most out of your card.